Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by building a daily habit of focused study sessions of 45 to 60 minutes with 10-minute breaks, which trains attention and stamina. Prioritize core concepts over memorization. Understand why formulas work and how to derive them so you can apply ideas to new problems. Use active recall and spaced repetition to move facts into long-term memory and reduce cramming. Set small measurable goals like mastering one concept per session and review prior material for at least 15 minutes to reinforce retention. Practice with varied problems. Solve at least 20 problems weekly across difficulty levels to build pattern recognition and flexibility. Break problems into steps. Define, plan, execute, check, and write a concise solution summary so you internalize method and reasoning. Analyze mistakes immediately and catalog them for focused review sessions that target weak points instead of repeating known skills. Time yourself on mixed sets for exam conditions and emulate real tests by using a 16:9 layout for notes and keeping distractions away. Use multiple resources: textbooks, online lectures, practice exams, and 1 or 2 reference apps to cross-check explanations and find alternative perspectives. Form study groups of 3 to 5 peers to explain concepts and critique solutions aloud. Teaching others exposes gaps in understanding fast. Seek feedback from teachers and use office hours for targeted problem help on topics like vectors, integrals, or stoichiometry. Track progress weekly with measurable metrics such as percent correct, speed per problem, and topics mastered to stay accountable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.